This year, in anticipation of 2024, we decided to buy a 2-meter tall artificial Christmas tree. We'll now show you how to assemble it. The artificial Christmas tree has a snowball UM modification and is packed in a dense rectangular cardboard box. First, it is necessary to take out all the components of the artificial Christmas tree from the packaging for assembly. The tree, which is carefully prepared and packaged, is securely packed in a compact bundle. This bundle is meticulously organized and consists of 2 to 3 distinct parts, each serving a specific purpose. In the package, you will find a block, along with the stand, and 3 distinct parts of the tree. It is absolutely necessary to carefully unpack the stand. Assemble it first. There are no assembly instructions for the tree here, which means it is easy to assemble. First, we will carefully assemble the stand for the tree, which is an essential step in ensuring stability. The stand consists of 4 distinct parts, each designed to fit together seamlessly. These parts need to be connected using the very bottom section of the tree, which is specifically designed with grooves to accommodate these stand connectors. These grooves are crucial as they ensure that the stand is securely attached, providing the necessary support for the tree. Take the bottom part, which is the largest, and put all the parts of the stand onto it, from below. After completing the initial steps, we will proceed to the next phase, which involves carefully unfolding each branch of the tree. This process is done systematically, starting from the bottom and moving upwards, ensuring that each branch is positioned approximately horizontally. This methodical approach helps in maintaining the tree's structure and balance. Once the first tier of the tree is fully assembled and all branches are in place, we can then move on to the next stage, which is the installation of the second tier. This involves aligning the branches of the second tier with precision, similar to the first, to ensure a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing appearance. The process requires attention to detail and patience, as each branch must be adjusted to fit the others. By following these steps, we ensure that the tree is not only structurally sound, but also visually appealing, creating a harmonious and balanced look that enhances the overall presentation. It is the middle one and has a medium thickness, so you won't confuse it. This particular branch is distinctively positioned in the center, making it easily identifiable due to its moderate thickness, and we spread out the branches of the second tier, ensuring they are evenly distributed and clearly visible. Here, the second tier is installed. You can bend the small branches both horizontally and vertically. This will change the design of the tree, but I try to make the angle as natural as possible, like in natural conditions. It grows at about a 45-degree angle from the main branch. And after that, the last top part remains to be installed. It is a little thinner than the others, and has such a long top, so you won't confuse it with another one. It's quite distinctive. And we also carefully and meticulously spread out the branches to make it appear more natural and lifelike. First, we gently bend the main branches, ensuring they are positioned correctly, and then we proceed to adjust the smaller ones with precision. You have the freedom to arrange the branches in any manner you prefer. This allows the branches to spread out and cover the entire perimeter of the tree, ensuring that they are evenly distributed throughout the entire crown. By doing so, you create a balanced and aesthetically pleasing appearance, which is important for the overall health and visual appeal of the tree. This method ensures that sunlight reaches all parts of the tree, promoting healthy growth and development. The higher you go to the top, the shorter the branches become in height, making it pyramid-like. And the tree ends with a top that needs to be positioned in a way that is aligned strictly vertically. Just a little fluffing of the tree is left, a bit more to make it more festive and ready for the holidays. I have fluffed all the small branches. Here is a nice artificial Christmas tree. the branches of which are snow dusted. Now let's measure its actual height. It says on the tag that it's 2 meters. Yes, it is indeed real, and it stands 2 meters tall. The tree is very nice, festive and lush. Keep in mind that small needles fall on the floor, so try to set it up not on the carpet to make it easier to clean them up with a vacuum later. Also, there are small particles that look like snow. Now it remains to beautifully decorate the tree. But indeed, we will trust the children and see what the result will be. Here is the artificial Christmas tree, decorated and flashing with all the lights of the garlands and ornaments. As you can see, it is very lush, chic, and quite suitable for celebration.